What's going on, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. Welcome to another video. So this is the auction house that I bought about 8 weeks ago, give and take. And I wanted to walk you guys through to give you an update on what's happening with the rehab. So come on in. If you remember, I walked you guys through this property, kind of showing you what we were planning on doing with the property. So remember, there was a big wall right here. There were two French doors right here. We tore all of that stuff out. I'm gonna walk you guys through and tell you exactly what we did and tell you what's going on with the project. So over here, this is gonna be the new living room, dining room, and we created an open floor plan going into the kitchen, right? So we also opened up that wall a little bit and we extended this wall a little bit, and I'm gonna show you why we did that. So if you come over here, you can see this is all the baseboard material and the window trim. Over here, we're making it feel like it's new construction, all right? The best way to do that is to add new drywall like we did, but also add window trim and new baseboards and crown molding throughout. You can see we also have recessed lighting going in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 20 of them throughout the entire living room, kitchen, and dining area right here. So remember, there was a wall right here, right? All we did was we cut the wall out. We extended this wall out because there was a doorway right here. So we just closed that doorway off. And we created a pantry on this side and a bathroom on the other side. Because if you remember, there used to be a walkway on the other side of this wall right here. And you were able to walk out through the front door. That was wasted space. So all we did was create a pantry right here and another half bath on the other side. But this is the kitchen. Got the open floor plan. We got the bar area right here. Gonna be adding cabinets right here. We're gonna open this window back up. We closed off the window that was right here. And we left those two windows over there. So that's what this is looking like right now. And you can see we add recessed lighting in here as well. So did a lot of work. Oh, there was a cabinet space right here that all we did was tear it out, drywall it, and then put shelves up in there, so it's gonna look a lot better. That's gonna be more space to add dishes or food or whatever the homeowner wants to put in here when we flip it. But this is the kitchen area. Here's the new plumbing. We put new plumbing throughout, new electric throughout, and we're also adding new HVAC system downstairs. But remember, this used to be the old pantry over here. So we were able to close that off. I'm gonna leave this as, they had it closed off before. We're leaving it as storage space. So we're gonna add a door right here and just put some shelves in here, and that's gonna be the new pantry. You got a light going up in there as well. On this side over here, we got the new half bath, but you're gonna like what we did with the master bedroom as well. So here's the half bath. It's gonna get a little dark, so we might have to make an adjustment with the camera. But it's a good size half bath right here. We're gonna put a 30-inch sink right here, a vanity, and then put a toilet bowl. And it's just a good size bathroom in here. Obviously, we're adding lights and all of that other stuff in here as well. And then when you walk over here, remember, this used to be the old bathroom on the first floor. This used to be a door into the 5th bedroom. I'm gonna show you exactly what we did. So in here, we turned the old bathroom into the new laundry room, okay? We're gonna add some shelving right here. We got the washer and dryer hookup, and just a clean looking laundry room is what this is gonna be. We closed that room, room off, but notice what we did. So in here, we have the master bedroom. There's a his and hers closet that was already here. We didn't touch it. But on that side, notice what we did. You see, there used to be a wall right here. We moved the wall over to here. Gonna add some French doors going into your new master bedroom, master bathroom, primary bathroom. You guys keep telling me it's not master anymore, it's primary. This is the primary suite, okay? I feel funny saying primary. I'm so used to saying master. Master bedroom, all right? So look, primary bedroom, primary bathroom. This used to be the old 5th bedroom, but all we did was we went ahead and turned it into a bathroom. We're gonna add a good size double vanity sink right here. Gonna add a toilet bowl and a stand-up shower. We're gonna add tile on the floor. I'm not a big fan of tile on the floor, but we're gonna add the tile on the floor in order to be able to give this property a different feel. We're gonna have the rain shower right here coming from the ceiling, one shooting out from the sides. We're gonna add the handle right here, and this is gonna be a big see-through shower. That's what we're adding in here. So this is gonna look real good. All right, so this is your primary suite, primary bath, primary bedroom. Let's go upstairs. All right, so this is the first bedroom upstairs. As soon as you come up the stairs, you can see there used to be some ceiling issues. We fixed all of that stuff. I went with a different paint color this time. This paint color got spider webs all over the place. This paint color is called Hint of Gray from Sherwin-Williams. I like this color a lot. It's kind of giving me like an earth tone feel to it. So I think I'm gonna switch over to this color because it's almost white, but it really has a touch of gray in it, which I like. And I think it goes better with the floors that we're gonna be installing into this property as well. We're gonna keep a lot of these windows, just refinish them. I think these windows are in pretty good shape, and it's still, this is the historic district of Thomasville. So what it does is it really adds that historic feel to the property while we have a modern touch to it downstairs. Let's go into the other room. So this is the second bedroom right here. And you know, this is really just a paint and carpet room. In here, we have the window. We have to install a window. I got somebody coming into this house. I don't know who these people are, but I'll get to them in just a second. I'm gonna be installing a window right here, and then in that bedroom over here. All right, so if you remember in the hallway, this was a linen closet right here. We closed that off and we busted out the linen closet to create more space in this bathroom. Let me show you. So remember right here, this used to be the linen closet. It came out to about right here. It was taking up a lot of space in this bathroom. So we busted it out, and we're gonna add a vanity right here with a toilet bowl. We're gonna fix all of this right here and add some tile in this bathroom from the walls to the floor. And we left this open primarily because we wanted to allow free space to be able to walk in and out of the bathroom. We didn't want it to feel cluttered when we walked in here. So let's go into that bedroom right there. And this is the biggest bedroom up here, in my opinion. Kind of like two bedrooms if you really think about it. But again, this is another carpet and paint type of bedroom. And that's exactly what we're doing. Adding new light fixtures, new trim, new carpet, new paint. We are gonna add carpet up here, but we'll see what happens. But I really wanted to show you guys the house. Let me show you downstairs in the basement, and then we'll wrap this up. All right, so we down here in the rec room. Man, it's hot in this house. I gotta get this AC on. But we're gonna finish this off into a complete rec room. It feels good to have a rec room. Initially, this was gonna be the laundry area. We decided to put the laundry upstairs and make this a straight entertainment room. And it leads out into the backyard. Let me show you what we did in here as well. All right, so over here, we had foundation issues. And this little section right here cost me 15 grand. And it blew my entire budget. So when I bought the house, I bought it through auction. So you can't come into these houses in order to see what's really wrong with the house. This wall was buckling out when we walked in. And unfortunately, cost me a lot of money to be able to get it done. So we had to have this reinforced. And I'm noticing another spot over here. I might have to have the guy come back. But he has to come back anyway to take a look at some of this stuff because I noticed a pocket out here. There's some light right there. I don't know if you can see that light. That's not supposed to be there. So he has to get that part taken care of and also finish up down here. But for the most part, let's go back out here where there's more light. This house will be done in a few weeks. You know, this was a lot of work. This is over $100,000 in rehab. And at the end of the day, I think it's gonna sell for really, really good money. So even though we had that unexpected expense right here, there was a house that just sold, 2 houses that just sold right in this neighborhood for more than what we thought they would. So that bumped up the price of this house as well. So I'll make more money on this property. Now what I wanna do, I have my business partner / realtor, Casey. If you guys remember her from a previous video, she's at a house that we have about 5 houses down. So we have this, I have this one from the auction, and then we just bought that one together. I'm gonna show you guys inside that house next. Stay tuned, let's get into it. In the meantime, like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. Let me know what you think about what we're doing with this house. I would appreciate some feedback on it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it.